Introducing Prohire Companion, Prohire's brand new mobile app for iOS or Android. Extend processes and control beyond the rental desk with our brand new mobile app for iOS or Android. Complete inspections, capture images of damage, and reduce repair costs on the move, even if you're offline. Allocate jobs based on roles and workload with our simple drag and drop facility. You can also filter jobs by type. Record vehicle damage with greater accuracy and carry it through to subsequent bookings. Complete deliveries and collections and utilize Google Maps to improve efficiency. Capture time, date and geo-stamped signatures, reducing customer conflict and damage disputes. Email digital checklists to your customer, confirming the condition of a vehicle at checkout, and include any images of damage. You can also email your customer the digital rental agreement signed as part of the checkout process. Manage damage across your entire fleet. Access full damage details including images, and mark the severity of damage so repair work can be prioritised. Prohire Companion. For a free trial, contact our sales team today. Call 01795 434 000 or email sales@prohire.co.uk. Prohire. Driving efficiency, creating opportunity.